enough of all that pork and non-vegetarian spicy cold food. It's time to eat a good, solid vegetarian meal. And for that, I've come to Modern Hindu Hotel, another treasure of Mumbai or Bombay as it is to be called. Now, this place was started way back in 1926. It's got a really sweet, nice and interesting story. So come along, let's first go up there and you're going to have a surprise. You're going to get a surprise. It's traditional food, South Indian style. Come along. And there's a lift because it's on the 4th floor of a really old building in Fort. Now let's hope this works because otherwise I'll have to climb up and build an appetite. Lift! That was done. So here we are. I'm nice and hungry and I'm sitting ready for my meal, and with me is Mr. Heber. Mr. Heber.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you, sir. Now, this place has a lot of history. It started in 1926, I believe. 1926 is a long, long time to run one restaurant.
Well, it was started in 1926 by my father,
Okay.
late Shri K.S.N. Hebar.
Okay.
It was started as a community service.
Okay.
And today, of course, it has become a humanity service.
Okay, but when you say community service, what do you mean?
See, in those days, most of the people were very orthodox.
Okay.
They would not come to Bombay unless they had a good place to stay and good food.
South Indian,
Yeah,
vegetarian
food, yeah.
Okay, so in the early 20s and the 30s, when people from South India came to Bombay, the big bad city of Bombay, they were afraid of staying in places that wanted pure vegetarian orthodox food.
Yeah, correct.
So that
was the starting point.
Yeah. You also mentioned that it was run by the whole family. The whole family used to sit.
Yeah, those days, see, basically before the war, there were not too many customers.
Okay.
So we couldn't afford to pay the staff. So the entire family members, my father, his brothers, my mother's brother, they were all working here.
Okay.
In order to make a name in this particular field.
That's fantastic. Hey, you're on the 4th floor of a building. There is no big board outside. Yet you have people coming in here every day.
I think the quality. Ultimately, there is no compromise to quality. Probably why people come here is, secondly, maybe the environment. It is a homely atmosphere, no protocol, no, you can be informal. And third, it is hygienic. I can assure you 100%, there are people who have eaten for 30 years without saying that I had a stomach upset. So, I think that is the most important reason. And see, even the leaf that we don't serve in a plate,
correct,
we serve in a banana leaf because it's very hygienic.
What I also wanted to ask you is that this meal that you serve here is only 50 rupees.
See, at the end of the day, we feel very happy when people come and tell me, Mr. Hebar, why don't you increase the rate instead of saying that you are too costly?
Super.
I am not conducting this business only for money. So, I feel very happy when people come and compliment me for the quality. So these are some of the things that
you have to do in life. That's where the humanitarian part comes in. Yeah. Good food has been lying in front of me for the longest time, and it needs to be given some attention.
Yeah.
So please tell me about this food. We've got one vegetable here. So normally a meal comprises of one vegetable, you said?
One vegetable, one dal we are having.
Okay, one dal.
One rasam we are having.
Okay.
Then this is sambar.
Sambar.
This goes on changing. Even this rasam. Today, for example, we have pepper rasam.
Okay, this is pepper rasam.
Yeah. Sometimes we have drumstick. Sometimes we have horse gram. Okay. Sometimes we have tomato.
And I'm going to try this pepper rasam first. Delicious. Pepper rasam and achar. And what sabzi is this today?
Today it is cabbage and potato.
Cabbage and potato sabzi. Achar. And these papads, I love these South Indian papads.
Well, these papads we get it from Madras. Yeah.
All the way?
Yeah, all the way.
And bird.
Yeah. This place we have almost 83 years old. But I would like to tell you, we have created history. We have worked for 365 days into 83 without a single day closure.
So what you're saying is that 365 days into 83 years, this place has never been
Closed, yeah.
Come rain, come shine, come
shine
ride,
or
come
bun
war,
or
come
whatever
kill.
it is.
It's fantastic. How many meals do you serve in a day?
See, about 250 to 300.
200-300?
Yeah, 250 at least.
Which means it must be very quick.
Yeah.
Fatapat, come and eat and go.
We take normal time for eating, it is around 18 to 20 minutes maximum.
It's even calculated the time for it. 18 minutes for a meal. So somebody you come here, sit here, food is ready, eat and run.
Yeah, it's 20 minutes. So we normally have between 12 and 3 o'clock. We normally have at least per hour 3 rotations. So we have 3 hours, so about 6 rotations.
6 rotations. Not bad. And mind you, for this wonderful meal, 50 rupees only, the meal is unlimited. You can eat as much as you want.
Yeah.
And on request, sweet will also come. I must tell you one thing. I personally am not very fond of cabbage. But this is really nice.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Dal. Got a strong flavor of hing. No?
Yeah, slightly.
Yeah. Asafetida and jeera and...
It's a mixture of tuar dal and moong dal.
Tuar dal and moong dal.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I'm happy you like it.
I like it. So, here it is. Potato, green pea and cabbage sabzi. 3 kinds of lentils. We've got a sambar here, which I'm going to try. This is probably the best sambar I've tasted in Bombay like this. And I am a happy man.
I hope you have enjoyed the food.
Thoroughly. Thoroughly. Thank you very much. My sincere hope is that you go on for another 83 years. I hope the next generation also carries on.
Thank you.
And of course, you may not be able to sell for 50 rupees in 83 years. But whatever. Okay? Great. And to end this wonderful meal, buttermilk milk.